In this video, we will discuss about technical terms in windows, doors and ventilators. So let's start. First technical term is frame. Frame consists of a group of members which form a support for a door or window. So in this image we can see this is the door frame and it consists of a group of members and which form a support for a door. Second technical term is stile. Stile is the outside vertical member of the shutter of a door or a window. So in this image we can see this one is the shutter and here you can see this is the stile. So the outside, this outside vertical member of the shutter of a door or a window is known as stile. Third technical term is head. The top or uppermost horizontal part of a frame is known as the head. So in this image we can see this is the frame and this top or uppermost horizontal part of this frame is known as head. Fourth technical term is sill. The lowermost or bottom horizontal part of a window frame is known as the sill. So in this image we can see this is the window and this one is the window frame. So this lowermost or bottom horizontal part of this window frame is known as sill. Here one thing, note that the door frames are usually not provided with the sills. Fifth technical term is top rail. Top rail is the topmost horizontal member of the shutter. So here this is the shutter and the topmost horizontal member of the shutter is known as top rail. So here you can see this one is the top rail. Sixth technical term is lock rail. Lock rail is the middle horizontal member of the shutter where the locking arrangement is provided. So as you know that this is the shutter and here locking arrangement is provided. So the middle horizontal member of this shutter where locking arrangement is provided is known as lock rail. So in this image you can see this one is the lock rail. Seventh technical term is bottom rail. Bottom rail is the lowermost horizontal member of the shutter. So as you know that this one is the shutter and the lowermost horizontal member of the shutter is known as bottom rail. Next technical term is intermediate or cross rail. The additional horizontal rails fixed between top and bottom rails of a shutter are known as the intermediate or cross rails. So in this image you can see this is the shutter, here top rail is provided, here lock rail is provided and here is bottom rail. So the additional horizontal, this here you can see this is the cross rail. So these additional horizontal rails which is fixed between this top rail and bottom rail of this shutter is known as cross rail or intermediate rails. A rail which is fixed between the top rail and lock rail is called the fridge rail. So in this image you can see this is the fridge rail which is the fixed between this top rail and lock rail. Ninth technical term is panel. Panel is the area of shutter enclosed between the adjacent rails. So here you can see this is the panel, this is also one panel, this is also one panel. So this panel is the area of this shutter which is enclosed between adjacent rails like these cross rails and lock rails. Next technical term is hold fast. Hold fast is generally in the form of a mild steel flat bar of section 30 mm by 6 mm and of length 200 mm. So in this image you can see this is the hold fast, this is the hold fast. So for window frame, number of hold fast are 2. The 3 numbers of such holdfast are provided on each side of the door frame and 2 numbers of such holdfast are provided on each side of the window frame. So here you can see this is the door frame and 3 numbers of this holdfast are provided on each side of this door frame, and for window frame it is 2 numbers. Holdfast keep the frame in position. Next technical term is horn. Horn is the horizontal projection of head or seal beyond the face of the frame. So in this image you can see this is the frame, and here you can see this is the head, and the horizontal projection of this head is known as horn. Horn facilitates the fixing of the frame on the wall opening, and its length is about 100 mm to 150 mm. So, length of this horn is about 100 to 150 mm. Next technical term is shutter. The entire assembly of stiles, panels and rails is known as the shutter. So, as you know that this one is the shutter, which is the entire assembly of stiles, these panels, these rails like top rail, cross rail, bottom rail and lock rail is known as shutter. Next technical term is sash. Sash is a special type of frame made of light sections and designed to carry glass. So in this image you can see this is the sash, which is the special type of frame and made up of light section and designed to carry glass. So here you can see this is the glass and it is known as sash. This one is the lower sash, this one is the upper sash. A sash consists of two vertical stiles, a top rail and a bottom rail. So here you can see this is the one sash. So this sash consists of, here this is the vertical stile, this is first vertical stile, this is second vertical stile, and here you can see this is top rail, this is bottom rail. So sash consists of two vertical stiles, one top rail and one bottom rail. A sash can be divided vertically or horizontally by providing bars. These bars are known as the sash bars or glazing bars as shown in this image. So in this image you can see these are sash, various sash. So this sash can be divided vertically or horizontally by providing these bars. So these bars are known as sash bars or glazing bars. Next technical term is mullion. Mullion is a vertical member which is employed to subdivide a window or a door opening vertically. So here you can see this one is the mullion, which is the vertical member and which is employed to subdivide a window or a door opening vertically. Next technical term is transom. Transom is a horizontal member which is employed to subdivide a window opening horizontally. So here you can see this is the transom, which is the horizontal member and it is employed to subdivide window openings horizontally. Next technical term is lower. Lower is a piece of timber which is fixed in an inclined position within a frame as shown in this image. So here you can see these are lowers and these are the pieces of timber and it is fixed in an inclined position within this frame. Next technical term is jamb. The vertical wall face of an opening which supports the frame of door and window is known as the jamb. So here you can see this is the jamb, which is the vertical wall face of an opening and it supports the frame of door or window. This is the jamb. Next technical term is reveal. The external jamb of a door or a window opening at right angles to the wall face is known as the reveal. So in this image you can see this one is the revels, which is the external jamb of door or a window opening at right angles to this wall face. So here you can see this is the reveal. Next technical term is rebate. The depression or recess made inside the door frame to receive the door shutter is known as the rebate. So in this image you can see this one is the rebate, which is the depression or recess made inside this door frame, to receive the door shutter is known as rebate. So in this image you can see this one is the rebate. Next technical term is putty. Putty is a mixture of linseed oil and whitening chalk. Putty is used for fixing glass panels. So in this image you can see someone fixing these glass panels by using putty, and this putty is the mixture of linseed oil and whitening chalk. Next technical term is architrave. Architrave is a strip of wood, usually molded or splayed, which is fixed around the sides and head of openings as shown in this image. So in this image you can see this is the architrave and it is a strip of wood. It may be molded or splayed and it is fixed around the sides and head of openings. Architrave thus helps in giving a decent appearance to the joint of frame with the masonry, and architrave is used only when doors and windows are placed flush with the face of masonry. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more updates, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.